What's up guys, Kesley here. I'm changing the brake pads on my XC60 Volvo 2013, and a lot of the Volvos, they're pretty much all the same. So once you pull the bolts or the nuts off of you loosen them before you jack up the car, and then you jack up the car and then pull the tire off. And then once you get to this point, all you do is you loosen these bolt calipers here, and then there's the electric brake motor where you need a T30 to pull that one bolt off. So you pull that off, and I can show you this. So alright, once you have the electric motor off, you can put that to the side, and then you can get in there and put a T40 right in there. So and righty tighty, you'll tighten it in. This is doing the brake piston, tightening the brake piston down so you can remove it from the brake pads. Let's see if that'll work enough. Yep. Here. Grab a flathead. Just pry these right off. Just like that. That one's decent. This other side's really bad, so. Yeah, this side is bad. Yeah, it's gone, it's shot. $40 for the rear pair. These are the cheaper ones, but if you do it yourself, it's whatever, you know? So, save you some money. So they're all the same. Pad on the inside. Push it in there like that. Grab another one. Same thing on the other side. There we go. Easy as that. The caliper piston here. Just gonna take some oil filter pliers and put them right through here, allowing me to squeeze the piston. And then I'm gonna spin the piston head clockwise to you need a special tool for this, but if you're doing this on your own, this is how you do it. Collapsing the piston. Once the piston's collapsed, you'll be able to slide it right on the brake pads. So looks like I need to go a little bit more. It's almost there. That should do it. Sweet. There we go. All right, this will save you some time. Just take your, you know, that electric motor that we removed before we pulled off the caliper. Well, if you put that back on before you put the caliper back on, it'll save you a lot of time and it's easier to get to. So just take your T30 and tighten down the motor there. See, so since I have it in my hand, it's easier to maneuver and get to. So I'd recommend doing that before you put the caliper on. The other side. You're gonna want to tighten these down simultaneously. All right, once you have the motor back on, just slap the caliper on. Put this back on there. and then just put the bolts back on. Back to your size 13 and tighten it back up. Snug that one and snug this one at the bottom. Okay, and then we'll drop it with the jack. All right, so definitely make sure to check the brake fluid level. So after collapsing those brake calipers, the piston looks like we're good on oil now. So yeah, that's how you do it. Volvo.